Hello boys, welcome back to another session of video tutorials, and this session is meant for class 11th biology students, and this is for 1st March 2021. As we all know that we are into the revision mode and we are revising the entire syllabus in the form of CBSE sample papers. In a row we have done 4 papers and now we are into the paper number 5, fifth paper. And in this yesterday and day before yesterday, we had talked and discussed about section A. Now we are going straight to section B. As all of you know, section B has got 9 questions of 2 marks each. That comes to 18 marks. Since it's a 2-mark question, you need to write around say 3 to 4 sentences. And you have to write to the point. Straight away we go to question number 17. Pyruvic acid is the end product of glycolysis. What are the 3 metabolic products of pyruvic acid produced under aerobic and anaerobic conditions? Write their name in the space provided in the diagram. So there is a schematic sketch is given in the question, and in between question marks are there. In the question marks you have to write the product name. So answers are: the 3 metabolic products of pyruvic acid produced under aerobic and anaerobic conditions are: 1. Lactic acid, 2. Ethanol, 3. Acetyl-CoA. Question number 18. Many discoveries in science have been accidental. This is true for plant hormones also. Can you justify this statement by giving an example? Also, what is the term used for such accidental findings? Answer: this is true that all the 5 plant hormones have been discovered accidentally. For example, auxin was accidentally discovered by Charles Darwin and his son Francis Darwin. They observed that coleoptiles of canary grass responded to unilateral illumination by growing towards the source of light. Auxin was later isolated from coleoptiles of oat seedlings by F.W. Wendt. The term used for such accidental discoveries is called serendipity. So this is the word you must remember. Question number 19. Give a brief description of neural system or nervous system. The neural system is composed of specialized nerve cells called neurons. It detects stimuli or stimulus singular and transmits neural signals. The neural system of complex animals is composed of 2 parts. 1. Central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The brain and nerve cord comprise the central neural system and other nerves comprise the peripheral nervous system. Question number 20. It is known that red muscle fibers in animals can work for longer periods of time continuously. How is this possible? Red muscles or dark muscles store myoglobin, and hence oxygen for meeting the gap between supply and consumption during continuous activity. Therefore, these muscles can continuously work and respire aerobically for long durations. The high proportion of these muscles allow athletes to participate in long duration events such as cycling, swimming, marathon, etc. Distance running, right? So myoglobin is the main thing that is responsible. There is a choice for this question. What is the choice? Give a diagrammatic representation of ATP synthesis process, adenosine triphosphate. Of course, it is F0, F1, it is related to, so you know these protons, H plus is entering inside, this is outer side, and this is inner mitochondrial membrane, and it is the inner membrane side. So adenosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate, which will be present in the matrix, both combined together at F1 site and form ATP. So this is how the ATP synthesis takes place. Question number 21. 2H2O will be split into 2H plus 4 electrons plus oxygen is released. Based on the above equation, answer the following questions. Question 1. Where does this reaction take place in plants? Of course, we know thylakoids, lumen of the thylakoids. Question 2. What is the significance of this reaction? Oxygen is evolved during this reaction. Moreover, electrons are made available to PS2 continuously. Question 22. How many molecules of carbon dioxide, ATP and NADPH are required to make one molecule of glucose? Now, the answer is carbon dioxide 6 molecules and ATP 18 molecules, NADPH 12 molecules of NADPH. So, these are required to make one molecule of glucose. Now, there is a choice. What is the choice question? What is photorespiration? In C3 plants, some oxygen does bind to rubisco and hence CO2 fixation is decreased. Here the RUBP, ribulose biphosphate, instead of being converted to 2 molecules of PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, binds with oxygen to form one molecule of phosphoglycolate in a pathway called photorespiration. In the photorespiratory pathway, there is neither synthesis of sugars nor of ATP. Rather, it results in the release of CO2 with the utilization of ATP. In the photorespiratory pathway, there is no synthesis of ATP or NADPH. So, energy capsules are not synthesized. Therefore, photorespiration is a wasteful process. So, we need not give much importance to that. Next, question 23. Describe the inflorescence type of Solanaceae. Solanaceae, brinjal family, tomato family, Solanaceae family. It is solitary flower, axillary or terminal, umbellate or occasionally helicoid, and scopoid cyme inflorescence it is. Okay. Question 24. Write short notes on the functions of the following hormones. One is thymosin, right? Thymosins. The answer is thymosins play a major role in the differentiation of T lymphocytes which provide cell-mediated immunity, CMI. In addition, thymosins also promote production of antibodies to provide humoral immunity. Next, 25th. How do the appendages support the bird's body? Birds have 2 pairs of limbs. 4 limbs are modified into wings. Front legs are modified to wings for flight. The wings are powered by powerful flight or breast muscles attached to large sternum of the breastbone. Hind limbs support the body and used for grasping, touching, wading and swimming. Now we go to section C. Section C, of course, it's a 3-mark one. So here you got 5 questions. Some internal choice will be there and 3 marks each. So 5 3s are 15 marks. Now here, since it is a 3-mark question, you are expected to write at least 5 to 6 sentences. Your answer should be 5 to 6 sentences. Question 26, straight I am going. Name the site of pyruvate synthesis. Also, write the chemical reaction wherein pyruvic acid dehydrogenase acts as a catalyst. Answer. Pyruvate synthesis takes place in the cytoplasm by the process of glycolysis. The chemical reaction wherein pyruvic acid dehydrogenase acts as a catalyst is as follows. The reactions catalyzed by pyruvic dehydrogenase require the participation of several coenzymes including NAD+ and CoA. So the reaction is pyruvic acid plus coenzyme A plus NAD+ in the presence of Mg2+ and pyruvate dehydrogenase forms acetyl CoA plus NADH plus H plus. This is the summary of the reaction. What is the symmetry of a flower? Symmetry, of course, there are two, and asymmetric also. Actinomorphic. When a flower can be divided into two equal radial halves in any radial plane passing through the center, it is said to be actinomorphic. Mustard, datura, chili. Zygomorphic, on the other hand, when the flower can be divided into two similar halves only in one particular vertical plane, it is zygomorphic. Pea, gulmohar, beans, cassia. And asymmetric, if it cannot, flower cannot be divided into two similar halves by any vertical plane. Look at that, by any vertical plane. You cut the flower in any direction, passing through the center, still we can't get two halves, then it is asymmetric, So it is cannot. So we will see another